Borra Cave bamboo chicken curry. You can see the chicken curry is prepared inside this bamboo. It's very unique and very strange. I've never seen something like this in my life. So they're going to put inside all these chickens inside this bamboo. I don't know how it is prepared, but they have a specific method which is very unique here. They prepare it. Point of this bamboo chicken is that they says that the rice, masalas, and all the chickens they mix it up and they wrap it in on a leaf. Actually, I don't know exactly what leaf. Then they put inside the bamboo, hollow bamboo, and they put it on the fire, and that get cooked actually. So that gives a very different aromatic, flavor and also smell. Although I'm not a chicken lover, but believe me, people are like crazy to eat this, and they come so far to experience this bamboo chicken along with rice. So if you want a vegetarian, you have vegetarian biryani also. If you want to have this bamboo chicken along with biryani, you can have it. So that's very unique. If you come to Borra Caves, don't miss this. So this is how they mix all the masalas, and you can see the rice. ये rice cooked नहीं है अभी ना ये bamboo के अंदर. Okay, got it.
अच्छा rice.
Okay, so it's a raw rice. They're putting all the masalas. You can see they're mixing the salt and various aromatic flavor masalas here, and you can see they're mixing it up. That's very beautiful. And now they're mix it up and put inside the hollow bamboo and put it on the fire. Very unique. Absolutely unique. Now they're going to put inside the bamboo. The bamboos, you can see these bamboos. ये bamboo बनाया गया नहीं, properly hollow किया गया है सर, ऐसा hole किया
बनाया गया सर.
अच्छा. ऐसे बनाया गया ना, ऐसे बनाया गया नहीं,
ऐसे बनाया गया.
हाँ, इसको hollow करके बनाया गया. हाँ तो कर रहे थे. So now they are preparing this hollow bamboo. So they have already made this bamboo hollow already. I asked this guy and the cook, I can say the chef. Now they are bringing this. They are going to wrap in some unique plant. I mean, I can say the leaf of a plant. This is the leaf. I don't know the English name of this leaf. They say it's sal patta. So this is the leaf where they are going to wrap the mix of this rice and everything. They wrap it here and they put inside this bamboo before they put into the fire. So now they are cleaning up everything. So you can see they are cleaning up. They are making ready. Now they are putting the chicken inside this bamboo. Very unique. Putting this sal leaves, I don't know the exactly biological name. So they are now putting that sal leaves act as a cover for this bamboo container, I can say. Put that bamboo, the fresh bamboo here, you can see here. They put these two bamboo containers here full of the rice and all those masalas, and once it is prepared, they are taking out of this. Now you can see then they are keeping it for some time, keep it cool. Then they will serve directly to the customer here. Now they are going to serve here. I mean, you can take a parcel from here also directly. So this is how they have served me the chicken biryani. I mean, with curd and some masala stuff here, and that is the bamboo chicken biryani they have served here. I'm just eating the rice, only the biryani portion, not the chicken portion. But really, it is good taste. Believe me, the aromatic flavor is really awesome. It's the best biryani I have ever had. Here at Borra Caves.
Yes, sir. Bamboo chicken है.
Okay.
आधा किलो 300.
आधा किलो.
स्मॉल पीस रहेगा क्या?
हमको 300 वाला देते 600.
नहीं ये वाला बिरयानी है. थोड़ा के बिरयानी है. बड़ा बम्बू के बिरयानी रहेगा. 6 पीस रहेगा. 6 से 2 आदमी पूरा आएगा. तुम नॉर्मल खाएगा ना 3 आदमी 4 आदमी खाएगा. ये वाला छड़ा बिरयानी के
हम एक आदमी को मंगाया था 600 रुपया दिया.
नहीं सर कौन दुकान में सेम रेट रहेगा.
नहीं मैं बता रहा हूँ, मैं 600 दिया एक्चुअली. 600
दिया
एक आदमी के लिए.
नहीं सेम रेट है सर. ये वाला
अच्छा वो 600 में कितना चिकन रहता है?
चिकन 6 पीस
6 पीस चिकन रहता है. So 600 I paid. The 6 pieces of chicken are there. क्या 300 का भी पीस है? 300 का
ओनली पीस के है. आधा किलो 300. ओनली चिकन. आधा किलो 300. स्मॉल पीस है. 25 पीस रहेगा. 25.
ओके.
ये वाला वो तो लाइन
25 पीस का 300.
300.
So only chicken if you order then it is 25 rupees. 25 pieces of chicken 300 rupees they will charge. So this is the two variety. Okay.
हमारे दुकान में लाइव बना तो के.
मैं कर दिया.
ओके. बाय.
Okay. Thank you.
सबसे करो.
He told you to subscribe. So there are two varieties of item you can get. One is biryani comes with chicken. Almost he told almost 600 gram of chicken. It's huge actually because we could not eat. My family was there, so we packed it. And you can only order chicken which is having 25 pieces of chicken you will get, which you paid 300 rupees. I was not knowing any price. After I ate, I was a bit surprised when I paid 600 rupees, but it is okay. That's the unique one-time experience you can have it in Borra Caves in this shop. Next to the Borra Caves, you can have this bamboo chicken. Let's move on for my other trip of Orca Valley. My taxi drivers keep on calling me because it's getting late. Thank you, brother. Take care. I think very common in this my Vizag to wherever I visited, whether it is temple or any museum anywhere, you'll find hell lot of shops, hell lot of people are buying, hell lot of food eateries.